Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel. I hope you are all well and doing great. Here in this video I am sharing very stylish, pretty, trendy summer sandals, new designs and new collection. All sandals are very pretty and available online also. Please watch the video till end without skipping so that you can go through all beautiful designs. If you are new here in my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon too for getting notifications of new uploads. One of the best collection for casual wear, formal wear and office wear. Long heel sandals are best for parties and weddings occasions, and low heel designs are best for casual wear activities. Pointed toe, round toe and square toe, all different types of toes designs are also included here in this collection. Wedge style is best designed for girls and especially for parties and weddings occasion. Peep toe style zipper bag design is also best design nowadays. Snake skin printed sandal designs look so stylish and pretty. Peep-toe style back close design with low heel designs are best for office wear and casual wear activities. Kitten heels, curved heel in peep-toe style twin strips look so pretty and elegant. The colors of these sandals are also very eye-catching and bright. Friends, if you want to ask something regarding this collection or want to suggest that what you want to see more in my channel, then you can use comment section for this purpose. This is the only way you can use to connect with me and show your presence there. I always appreciate your comments and try my level best to reply. Long pencil heel looks so stylish and trendy in parties and functions. Zipper bag sandals is also a very comfortable design for casual wear activities. The colors of these sandals are very attractive and trendy. Friends, if you are new here in my channel, please subscribe my channel for more such kind of beautiful, stylish, updated collections of new arrivals of footwears and dress designing. I hope you can find one of the pair out of this collection which will be according to your choice and taste. And if you are interested to buy any one pair out of this collection, then just go to description box of this video where you will find the link of that site through which you can easily order and do online shopping. With the help of these collection, you can get the ideas regarding these footwears, that which types of designs are in fashion and which sorts of designs are very popular. And when you see the style and comfortability blend, this is one of the best and perfect collection for yourself. Zipper sandals are also look so stylish and elegant. Two-tone sandal design is also hot favorite design nowadays. Girls and ladies love to wear such type of beautiful sandals. Style, comfortability, practicality, all these features you will find here in this collection with different sorts of footwears. Such types of sandals are best for creating unique types of styles in your personalities. Some of the platform soles and vest styles you can keep for your casual wear activities, and otherwise all those chunky styles of heels you can keep for your formal occasions. Sling bag, zipper bag, back open styles of these sandals with chunky styles of heels, platform soles, wedge styles trending going on nowadays. I hope you love to see this collection, and if you like these designs, please thumbs up for it, means to say hit the like button. And if you are new here in my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon too for getting notifications of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching this video.